Hi guys, my name is Nikita and welcome to Nikki How. Did you know the human brain has a prefrontal cortex which helps us in doing difficult tasks? The basic activity of this brain region is considered to be the orchestration of thoughts and actions to achieve internal goals. For example, if you have to complete a monotonous task, it is this prefrontal cortex that gives you an extra push. It helps you to keep going. It helps in making complex decisions, tackling difficult situations, and planning complex cognitive behavior. This part of your brain is compared to a muscle. How your muscle gets fatigued, so does your prefrontal cortex. A person who has just started running would get tired after a few rounds as his muscles are not used to that exertion. But if you compare him to a person who has been running for years, that person would be able to run for longer. That's because by practicing for many years, that runner has developed muscle memory. In the same way, by exercising our prefrontal cortex and training it to perform better, we can increase our willpower. There are a couple of things you can do to increase the stamina of your prefrontal cortex, which in turn would increase your willpower. So come, let's go and have a look at what steps you need to follow to increase your willpower. Meditation. By meditation, I don't necessarily mean that you have to sit in one place with your eyes closed. It could be anything that detaches you from the external factors and connects all your focus in one place. You could concentrate on your breath, on visualizing your day, on hearing particular music, or feeling the sensation of everything you touch, smell, and taste. By training your senses to concentrate in one place, you are actually helping yourself to improve your willpower. Because while meditating, when your mind is wavering, you are asking it to come back in force. So meditation will help you to increase your willpower to be able to sustain for a longer time in one activity and not get exhausted easily. Choose one method of meditation, practice it and stick to it. I'm sure it will help. Consistency. Imagine you, who's an above average dancer, and your friend, who is a trained ballet dancer, decide to join a hip hop dance class. You both are able to manage well, you are enjoying yourself and are having a great time. But anytime you have a difficult routine or you are a little bit out of your comfort zone, it gets very difficult for you to sustain and try. You get stuck and start struggling. On the other hand, your friend was able to hold on for a much longer time compared to you, although she was a ballet dancer and not a hip hop dancer. That's because she has developed movement in her memory and has a stronger resistance for difficult situations in that area as she has practiced it every single day. So if you want to increase your willpower in anything that you set your mind to, you need to perform that task every single day. You need to practice your brain to become a pro at it, develop expertise in it, and your willpower for that task will improve for sure. Discipline. Discipline is when you make your mind work for your intellect and your intellect doesn't work for your mind. Your mind is like an unattended child waiting to distract you. So if you discipline this mind, you can increase your willpower. For example, your intellect knows you're supposed to eat healthy food and lose those pounds, but your mind craves for chocolates. So if you're successful in silencing your mind and listening to your intellect, over a period of time, your willpower will increase. Take short breaks. Two colleagues working in the same office, in the same department, have the same kind of work pressure and job role. One of them has just returned from a holiday and the other has not taken a break since months. If these two are given a sales target to achieve, there is no doubt that the person who has just come back from the vacation would do better. He has got a break that has refreshed him and his willpower is recharged, while the other is mentally saturated. He's tired of holding on. So taking short breaks is very efficient to recharge your willpower. It doesn't mean you have to go for a holiday. If you are working or studying, you can take short breaks every few hours. So that was all from my side. Hope you guys liked these tips and enjoyed watching this video. Also, if you're someone who wants to make emotional and mental progress in their life, clean their conscience, get rid of their baggage, or get help in solving a difficult situation at hand, be free to DM me on my Instagram. I'll be attaching the link of my Instagram account in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.